Sellers, are you curious what the perks are of selling your home in a low inventory market? Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. Let's face it, we are still in a market where there is a lack of housing for buyers. As a seller, this can be a good news. According to the National Association of Realtors, based on the latest data, due to low inventory, 69 of homes nationwide sold in less than a month with an average of 2.6 offers. This is because there aren't enough homes to go around, and if homes are priced right, they are selling fast. Buyers have fewer choices now than they did in more recent years, and that's why as a seller you could still see some great perks with terms and pricings if you sell today. If you like more housing data to see what is happening in your local area, reach out to me so I can help you strategize your next move.